Alright guys, welcome to another video, new camera. Let us know what you think. I'm looking at it right now. It looks a little bit wide angle, but it's a new GoPro, so we're gonna see how it goes. We do have the old GoPro here for angles, but if you don't already know, we are here in America at Irwindale for the final ever event at Irwindale, final ever drift event at Irwindale, Hot Pit Auto Fest. We are now currently sitting second in points with only about 9 points in it, and with 100 points for first place. So it's really all to play for, so we'll really see how we go. We did a bunch of prep on the car yesterday, as you would have saw earlier in this video, and yeah, we're just gonna go for a rip on some secondhand old treadwear tires, or old compound. We have another pair of old compound, oh no, they're new compound but old secondhand tires, new compound secondhand tires, then old compound tires, and then we go on to our new stuff. So I'm excited to try our new stuff. We've actually got that 40 profile stuff from Vitor, so it's going to be good to try and yeah, see how it all feels. Obviously I haven't driven Big Bank at Irwindale before, the FD layout, so I'm excited for that. Just unfortunately it's the last time, so yeah, make the most of it and have a really good time. Enjoy. Alright guys, so I went to just quickly warm up the tyres, noticed immediately there was oil on the headers. Like you could see the smoke pop out. Turns out the brand new rocker covers we put on weren't sealing properly. The baffle seem to be touching something in the hedge. So we've just done a grinder, cut all that out of the way, and should all be sweet now.
Bit of self-clearancing?
Well, it wasn't self-clearancing, we helped it, but yeah.
Hand up as I slide this way, locked in a drift, yeah, night and day. Drifting low, we ride so clean, fast on the edge like it's just a dream. Smoke in the air, tires scream, feeling alive, yeah, we're on that beam. Drifting low, we ride so clean, fast on the edge like it's just a dream. Smoke in the air, tires scream, feeling alive, yeah, we're on that beam.
All right. Practice is finished. I finished practice. Practice isn't finished, but I finished practice. It's a bit sweaty and puffed out. We just went and changed 10 wheels and tires, so that's pretty much, I think two of them were 11. 11 of them were today. So yeah, this track is a killer on tires. It was kind of hard. We were quite busy with that whole rocker cover issue. That got sorted out. The new catch can worked phenomenally. Oils, there was basically no oil, or was there just a bit of 85, or?
I took the fitting out completely, no oil at all.
Oh no,
So
not even a drip of anything.
It's vaporizing, which is, it's probably the ethanol and the fuel burning off.
Yeah.
So it's fine.
Yeah. Well, that's what I said. The bigger diameter ones, it won't actually push anything out anymore. But what was happening earlier is it was over-pressurizing because the breathers weren't big enough.
There's also baffles in the heads now too, so it's going to baffle all the oil and the vapor's going to come out first. So.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's working perfectly. Changed all our Vitors over. Got all new Vitors here. The new treadwear, the new compound. It's really sick. The grip's great and all of that, because we had a lot of, that's why we weren't talking too much. Did you pump it up yet?
20.
That's flat.
Okay.
No, that's concerning. You didn't pinch it when you were putting it on?
We'll find out tomorrow.
Ugh.
On the next one.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna, where was I at? I've lost my train of thought. Oh, the tires are great and everything, but we're barely, like, this is 2 laps. So this is my concern. Like, this is pedaling 2 laps. So I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do there. Try and ease off on the wheel speed a little bit, or yeah, it's a difficult track with lower horsepower. Like, obviously this is definitely an FD track where you need 1,000 horsepower, because if you get stuck in a hole, what I mean by hole is someone checks up a bit, any of that sort of stuff, is a very, very, very difficult track to get back onto it. So yeah, with that said, we're going to head off to the NRG after party shortly and put the Corvette on display and say hello to the boys there. NRG, great supporter, and NRG Prisma, awesome supporters here in the US. And yeah, go down there and show some love, get the Corvette on display, and go say hello to everybody. So join us down there.
Carpet at the moment, but that'll kill it. It'll be fine. Fourth is the road trip. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't know about that.
It's literally idling at 36 miles an hour, whatever that is.
We don't need wipers going. What are you doing?
You turned them on.
It just sounds dirty at 6th.
Yeah.
We're completely driving fine. Yeah.
As I slide and sway, locked in a drift, yeah, night and day. Drifting low, we ride so clean, fast on the edge like it's just a dream.